Now, let's explore the mathematics behind the attention mechanism. In self-attention, the formula is written as softmax of CQ multiplied by K transpose divided by the square root of the decade, followed by a multiplication with V. Let's break this down to understand what each component means. The letters Q, K, and V represent query, K, and value, respectively. These are the three main elements that form the foundation of the attention architecture. The query identifies what information we're looking for, the key represents the possible matches, and the value contains the actual information to be passed forward once a match is found. Using these three components, the model calculates self-attention, which determines how much focus each word should have in relation to others within a sentence. In the next lecture, we'll walk through an example to better understand how the query, key, and value interact during this process.